Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly sleeve a Pokemon card. Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, deciding which cards to sleeve, okay? Sometimes people sleeve reverse hollows, sometimes people sleeve hollows, sometimes people only sleeve ultra rare cards or special illustration rare cards and above. Sometimes people sleeve any card that they want. Let's say you're collecting Beedrills and you want to sleeve every single Beedrill. So how do you actually go ahead about sleeving a card? Well, there's numerous ways you can do it, but these are just the few ways that I personally do it. So obviously you have your basic penny sleeve, okay? And this is like the center of when it comes to sleeving. So essentially what you can do is that you could actually just sleeve your card, and like this, you can actually just place it straight into your binder. All right, so it fits like that. Now there are different sizes of penny sleeves. Some penny sleeves are perfect fit, meaning like there is no extra space on the side here or on the top. Or sometimes you have a sleeve like this where there is a bit more extra space. So as you can see, it's a bit more harder to actually place inside. I personally like the sleeves where there's more give. I don't really like perfect fit sleeves. So these are the sleeves that I prefer. But then you also have binders in which if you place your card in a penny sleeve, you could also grab a top loader and place it inside your top loader. And then there are binders that exist where you could actually go ahead and place the top loader within the binder itself. I don't have that binder with me now. I used to have it, but I didn't really like it because it made the pages heavy. But sometimes people like to organize or collect in that sense. Now, the other way you can do it, and this is just proper handling technique, where if you do want to remove a card with its sleeve from a top loader, usually you go ahead and tap it just like that. The other way you could go ahead and sleeve a card is you can use other sleeves aside from just penny sleeves. So these right here are Dragon Shield sleeves. And I like these because they're a bit more firm, okay, and they're a bit tighter, so you can see that it's slightly smaller. But with dragon sleeves, if we take this card out, and you never want to touch the front of a card, especially if it's a hollow, ideally. But if we place this card in a dragon sleeve, you can see how it fits really nicely within it, and it makes it super, super easy to place in any card binder. Like I use dragon sleeves for my personal collection, and the thing with penny sleeves is that their corners are they're flimsy, so anytime you try to place it within a actual binder, sometimes it gets a little stuck. But with dragon sleeves, it fits almost perfectly in every single card binder that I've used it for. Now, same thing with your dragon sleeve. You can even place it inside of a regular top loader as well. So it looks like that. And then same thing, if you want to take it out, you can just go ahead and remove it out just like that. But key things to note is that any card that you want for your personal collection, you should sleeve, okay? Never put a card directly straight into a top loader. That's really not good practice when it comes to taking care of your Pokemon cards. So if you have your Pokemon card here, never place it directly into a top loader. No one ever does that. Always place it in at least a basic penny sleeve. And then after placing it inside of a penny sleeve, you'd want to go ahead and place it within a top loader, just like that. So that's pretty much it to it, guys. That right there is how to go ahead and properly sleeve a Pokemon card. Let me know if you guys have any questions at all. And I'll leave a link to all the materials used here down below.